then they give you the bowl, say help them make them wash. You. So I'll tell a party I say, you better tell us a Charlie bra 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 bra, but why in you come. If you are on the job, come away. How could you? I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what mankind, it be me now my name. And this be celebrity what? Yawa, celebrity Yawa. Charlie, make I talk you something. If you don't subscribe to the channel, it be what? Too much GH, too much GH. If you subscribe so that everything be our way they go on for social media, you go be the first person where you what? You go what? You go get notification for your phone top, then you now go to say then know what it they go on. And to subscribe here, catch you be out, be your guitar smartphone, be your TV go internet, catch you in balance. And you maybe a go we are over so tia say now tia say you ban, you be catch you now quote him no. It be what? Too much GH or what YouTube. So that be what you now I don't want make you what do. You know social media and we did that 24/7 sake of your love your parents anything or say you be back near kind near church mu here so that you now you understand what they go on. So make I talk you what they go on for social media top right now. A market woman making a statement that Mahama is greedy. That be what it happen right now for social media. It go on, it trend. You know say this what this yeah, Kasa, Mahama de Akufo-Addo, then they go aspire for the presidential seat. Presidential seat this 7th December 2020. Because of what? The way, you know, say when our constitution talks to every 4 years, for vote, then choose a president so that you will guide us, then development and things you know, will go on for the system inside, we will get better lives than we live. So then do now, wait, Charlie, some interview there, they go on. Where he pop up say, Charlie, some woman be can't talk say, Mama, no, he be greedy man. Why Mama be greedy so? Where the woman can't talk say, the reason why Mama be greedy because Mama he stand for the flag bearer, presidential candidate in this and so no contain no sin no be so bad the ever transfer na he panos you who no then yan to abaya the man. Then the woman in the talk now, where the woman talk say, that be what me I go talk then thing. Because Mama he chop them can't do what he go do give Ghanaians then you Ghanaians people you dey talk. See what this woman talk. Mama, you do again where Charlie, the place where you do, they can't continue. Why they talk say you be greedy? You don't be greedy. The party spoil and say Charlie, you get the potential. You get what you go feel do then what? Make the country be developed and things. Where Akufo-Addo too, you know say you do plenty things and things. So it be in mind where the woman or what? The woman who talks say, Mama no now if for what? If for what is for step aside and things. This is where they no be easy. Politics and things, yeah. You know so it be easy because it's either Mahama or it's what? Nana. Make I talk you another thing too where they go on. This one there, some it be something, but you mean now we have to talk and explain. Now maybe you see, but you don't get the explanation well, or maybe you hear them, but you don't hear more than things, or something where maybe someone they talk you do be different. Make I talk you the real thing. We know what we know, Sister Debbie. We know them. Make I talk you what they go on for inside. Sister Debbie, popularly known as Sister Deborah Vanessa, popularly known as Sister Debbie, recounts how she suffered with some of her ex-boyfriends. We know Sister Debbie. I'll be out too more rapid and tense. Plenty things where you do for social media. You go Instagram, show you where Charlie, she look very attractive. In what you know, easy. They look attractive. Oh, your now, you know, say you know, the full med and things. I see now, Charlie. Your mind and things, the things go past your mind inside. He says you suffered a lot in ex-boyfriends, you know, be easy for your hand up. He said recently, the last one where you know in the data, if you call them like 5 to 7 times, you know, be easy 5 to 7 times just to check on them, say how things they good and things. Where you say, hey, men be wicked. Men no be people where what before rely on them because they go what all they do say they go distract you, they some go kill you. That be the statement Sister Debbie make. Make I talk you about. You know say this word where we dey inside no. If man marry you suffer, it be problem. Man where in I don't know what they like for your life inside, he marry you, it be problem. Where you then you the date keke. So I'm sure this be if them the data, Charlie, it be problem. They sure you need the express say you now go kitchen, go cook them things can't give out for better. Hey! You know marry yourself, no? You know, you show the way for sure certain things say you be what? You be valuable than things. Say you know be say like who be a slave and not be you. But Bema be ours as be an excessive for anything oba. So you be sure the way you won't make man marry you. If you not just lay belt, if you not just lay for bed top, make man go cook give you. And also I'm sure this They all they do, so I'm sure this too, all they do is say they go take them a phone, social media, 24/7. Things we know they hear, music where they trend and things, it be entertainment too, but then they waste them a time. You they call them say they can't do something. Oh, they talk say oh they no go fit do. You ever go tell you now one thing. They chop kunko food so their mama no. You make baller. You know busy. You go touch it down. But that go where that food where you go buy for outside no crown. You go fit gather that money. You know them prepare some stew be some soup be then things. Then you go fit chop for maybe some mans or some whiskey. You know you go buy that food so the man need to go say kai. This shorty you know be shorty where they for marry him because you don't got the better uncle. So if you marry a man, you know you waste your time, you waste your money, you waste what your energy and things on out because you don't get vision, you don't get what you now want to do for your life. Why if you go buy food? Why if you sleep for bed top, make a cook food? That you know be say that thing no, you know good or like ibado. You good though, but sometimes if you not thought that thing, show man say make you go kitchen, make you prepare food, give you that things, make you chop. Where man where you no marry, where man where you no marry, where you need to you inspire your life say you go pay your bride price and things here, Charlie. Yawa, it be yawa. That's what I want flow you. I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what mankind. Me catch you. Me say as someone can out there. For food to no. Don't subscribe you to Too Much GH. Subscribe because I did be a good be a also be on social media no. Me and my head and catch you so that you go your head inside, so that you go get a better explanation. So subscribe to what Too Much GH. Prayer always what work. Bow, 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 bow.
Too Much GH. We did that say Japan. A break PM Besame TV. Me share Too Much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody dey bia. Me that must love you.